KuCoin Wallet app. The pros, the cons. You might know KuCoin as one of the world's leading crypto exchanges, but most people don't realize it has its own wallet, and it's changing how users interact with decentralized finance. The KuCoin Wallet app, also known as Halo Wallet, bridges the gap between centralized and decentralized ecosystems. But is it worth your trust? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. The KuCoin Wallet is non-custodial, which means you own your private keys, not the exchange. It supports multiple networks including Ethereum, Polygon, Bin Chain, and more. That makes it a solid choice for users who want to explore DeFi, NFTs, and apps across various blockchains. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to use. You can buy, swap, and transfer crypto directly inside the app. It also connects smoothly with your KuCoin account, allowing fast, low-fee transfers without complex copy-pasting of wallet addresses. One standout feature is its integration with social identity. The Halo version of KuCoin Wallet allows you to connect with profiles, track on-chain activity, and even follow influencers' portfolios, a social twist most wallets don't offer. Security is another plus. KuCoin Wallet uses encryption, local key storage, and optional biometrics for extra safety. It's designed to be both secure and beginner-friendly. Now, let's talk about the cons. Since it's still relatively new, KuCoin Wallet doesn't have as many integrations as older players like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Certain niche tokens or networks might not be supported yet. Another limitation is its reliance on KuCoin's ecosystem. If you prefer complete independence from exchanges, you might find that integration too tight. In summary, the KuCoin Wallet app offers a refreshing mix of usability, security, and innovation. It's perfect for traders who already use KuCoin and want to explore DeFi without juggling multiple wallets. If you're looking for a wallet that blends social discovery, smooth design, and multi-chain access, KuCoin Wallet could be one of the best emerging options in the crypto world today.